After 15 years of food sensitivities and chronic illness, I stopped enjoying food. Eating and cooking felt like a chore. But today, that changes. Welcome to TurnTables, my new cooking series where I'm falling back in love with food and reclaiming my joy of being in the kitchen, creating simple, healthy meals to buy back my time, eat with intention, and build a life I love, one meal at a time. Hi everyone. Welcome to my new cooking series, TurnTables. For years, I had a complicated relationship with food, and after dealing with chronic illness and extreme food sensitivities for many years, eating became more of survival and less joy. At one point, I had lost so much weight that it was scary. I felt disconnected from my body, from pleasure, and most importantly, from nourishment. But I've been slowly rebuilding that relationship through my healing journey, and this new series is part of that continual journey. As I'm moving through this process of living more intentionally, I've been wanting to pay more attention to how I use and spend my time, especially the time around food and prepping and planning. It takes up a lot of energy, both physically and mentally. And honestly, I would like to spend more of my time doing things that I not only enjoy, but things that are helping me move towards that life that I'm creating for myself. And so meal prepping is one of those things that can avoid decision fatigue or help to streamline decision making. And so I'm using that technique to help me in this journey, but also as a part of getting back in the kitchen and enjoying eating again and food and cooking. So let's jump right into it. Let's do a quick rundown of the ingredients, starting with jasmine rice, cornstarch, chicken broth, 2 to 3 carrots, green onions, fresh ginger, fresh parsley, shredded carrots, pink Himalayan sea salt, grounded ginger, coconut aminos or soy sauce, and raw sugar, a little white rice vinegar, sesame oil, and olive oil. We'll start by chopping and peeling the carrots, and then chop our green onions, peel and slice our ginger. Chop these up into cubes. Next up is going to be my green onions. So after that, I'm going to chop up a little bit of parsley, and I'm going to take the stems off first and then just kind of bunch the parsley up. Once I get all these long stems off, I'll bunch it up. try this in real time. Instead of being cute and turning off the camera, I'm trying this in real time with you guys. Saute this in the pan while we're preparing our sauce. Okay, so we're going to use the same bowl that we put our herbs and carrots in, and we're just going to start adding our wet and dry ingredients to make the sauce. So we have soy sauce here, or coconut aminos. We have a little bit of raw sugar, or sugar in the raw. We have a cup of our chicken broth, a little bit of ginger, dry ginger or powdered ginger. I'm going to add just a little bit more of the sugar, and then we have cornstarch or baking powder, and this is going to help to thicken the sauce. I'm going to take about maybe 2 cups. I'll say a cup. Let's say a cup. If this video resonated with you, I think you'll appreciate my last one, where I share more about my journey back to purpose, creativity, and the life I'm rebuilding from the inside out. I also created a free download of today's rice bowl recipe. You'll find it in the description below, along with a link to my book, Beyond Detox, The Hidden Keys of Healing, where I go deeper into the healing tools that supported me through chronic illness and burnout. Thanks so much for being here. I hope this inspires you to make space for the things that truly nourish you. I'll see you next time. Oh, and by the way, this was delicious. Okay, here is the finished product. Welcome to my channel, TurnTables. Welcome to my new channel. Hold on, okay, hold on. Welcome to my new channel, TurnTables. Oh. Hi, thank you for joining me today in my new series, TurnTables, where I will be in the kitchen sharing some of my recipes that I learned while healing from a chronic illness for a very long time. So I do have a lot of
We'll also be adding sesame seed oil, just a little bit.